In the beginning, this is introduction. We will talk about the benefits and the importance of the starch in different application. As you see here, we can use the starch in food, drink, syrups, animal feed. We can use in medicine, such like lowers glucose level and improve insulin sensitivity. Also, it can be used in pharmaceutical and cosmetics. It promotes the weight loss and it can be used in the mineral absorption. It also can be used in paper industry and foam baking. And finally, we can use it in biofuel and biopolymers. You see here, these are two types of the starch. The first is amylose. The second is amylopectin. As you see here, this is the amylose. It consists of alpha-1 4 glycosidic bonds, as you see here. In amylopectin, it consists of alpha-1 6 glycosidic bonds. The difference here in the shape, you see here, in amylose, it takes a linear shape, but in amylopectin, it has the branched shape. As you see here, that the amount of amylose and amylopectin differ from a crop to another crop. I bring this from this reference. When you see here that the amount of amylopectin in most of these crops are higher than the amylose amount.